Hey everybody, it's Brad at Dayport Brothers LLC out in Versailles, Ohio. Going to do another walk around video followed by an operational video on this 2014 Massey Ferguson 4608 that came in and we're putting up for sale. Like always, I'll walk around, get close to everything I see, talk about the features and functions. Then we'll go into an operational video, show it starting up, moving forward, backwards, loader up and down, kind of run it through its paces, show that the brakes work strong. As always, if you are in the market for a used tractor or a used piece of farm or construction equipment, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. Your subscriptions and likes help other people who are looking for similar videos or similar machines find our videos in our machines, so it's greatly appreciated. Like I said, this one's a 2014 4608 cab heat air, four-wheel drive, 921X front loader with skid steer mount quick attach, 2 rear remotes, power shuttle transmission, radio, 1,508 hours. So I'll get up close to everything here. Like I said, skid steer mount quick attach up here on the front. The pins are nice and tight up here. I just drove this one around. Steering's good and tight. Hydraulics are strong. As you can see, the loader, the red paint on the loader is still nice and bright. Decals are peeling just a little bit on the edges there. There is a little spot here on the hood where they got into something and they kind of scratched it up, and actually that little mesh, it looks like it probably separated and they siliconed it back together. Just a little spot there. This side front tire is in really good shape. Rim's in good shape. I'm gonna say the tread life on this one is probably 70%. I think I'm being pretty fair there. Again, this rear tire is in good shape. I'm gonna call this one more probably 50% tread life. The rim's in good shape. The fenders, you can maybe tell here, the paint is a little bit faded here. Kind of get up close to it. It's not as bad as some of them. Obviously this red paint fades pretty good, pretty fast, but it is faded. 3-point PTO, and it does have the extenders on it. 2 rear remotes. Again, this side, the rear tire matches up to the other side. Maybe shows just a little bit more wear on this side than the other, but not a lot. Rim's in good shape. Again, this fender, a couple little scratches here. All right, this side has a brand new front tire on it. The tire that was on it when we got it in had a pretty good gash in the sidewall. It was still holding air and everything, but we just thought it deserved to have a new tire on it. As good of the tractor as it is. Rim's good up here. Same thing over here. Loader paint is pretty bright. I don't see any cracks or welds or patches or anything on the loader arms or anywhere. As you can see, the bucket's nice and straight. There's no waves or anything like that in the bucket. Couple little scratches right here in the front nose. Nothing major or out of the ordinary, but there is some there. See if I can get this open with one hand. All right. As you can see, pretty clean up here where the battery is. Radiator. We'll go over and take a look on the side of the block. And everything we can see up here. As you can see, the side of the block's nice and dry. Not a bunch of oil or diesel running down the side of it here. Go to the other side. Same thing on this side, as you can tell. Nice and dry up in here. There's not oil or diesel running all over the place. Does have a block heater there. All right, we'll take a look inside the cab. As you can see, both the steps are in really good shape. All the glass is in good shape. It's all there and present. I don't notice any cracks or anything in any of the glass. The floor mat is pretty nice. Not any big cuts or tears in it, I guess. It's kind of the seat is in good shape. As you can tell, there are no cuts and tears in the seats. A little bit of hay chaff there in the back. Inside the cab is pretty darn clean. As you can see, that gray plastic's in good shape all the way around. Loader controls, hand throttle, foot throttle and brake. As you can tell, the pedals show very little wear, which they shouldn't. Everything's good here on the dash. Radio, HVAC controls, your lights and windshield wiper. As you can see, the headliner is pretty darn clean all the way around. A little bit of dirt here, but pretty darn clean, really. All right, like I said, this one's a 2014 Massey Ferguson 4608, 1,508 hours. I'll shut this hood and we'll get right into an operational video.